and welcome to day 4 of 25 days of crochet patterns. Today I'm going to show you how to make an ornament cup coaster. Let's get started. For this project you will need yarn in the colors that you want for your ornament, and then you will need whatever color you want to use for your top part, where it hangs from, the metal part. And I wanted a silver look, so I went with a gray. If you wanted a gold look, you need to pick a yellow or some other kind of gold looking color. I also have a needle so I can tuck my strings at the end, some scissors, and today I'm going to use a 5mm hook. You will begin by making a magic ring. And then chain 1, and then make 10 double crochets into the magic ring. And then after you make your 10 double crochets, pull on the tail to pull it tight, and then we will join it to the first double crochet of that round with a slip stitch and chain 2. For this next round, we are going to put 2 double crochets into each stitch. So we should end this round with 20 double crochets. And then at the end of the round, I will join it to the first double crochet of that round with a slip stitch, and then I will chain 2. For this next round, I will do 1 double crochet in that first stitch, followed by 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And this is the pattern I will repeat all the way around this round. 1 double crochet into a stitch, followed by 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And we should end this round with 30 double crochets. When I'm finished with this round, I will make a slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 2. For this last round, I will make a double crochet, a single double crochet into the first 2 stitches, and then in the third stitch I will put 2 double crochets for my increase. And this is the pattern I will follow all the way around this round. I should end this round with 40 double crochets. When I'm finished with this round, I will join it to the first double crochet of that round with a slip stitch. And then I will chain 1, cut my yarn, and now I'm going to tuck my strings into my work. Now it's time to add the metal hanging piece to the top. So I'm looking at the front of the coaster. This is the back. Looking at the front, kind of where I finished, I'm going to go 2 stitches to the right. And I'm going to attach my yarn color for that metal. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to make a single crochet in that same stitch and a single crochet into the next 3 stitches, so that I have 4 single crochets in that metal color. Then I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work, and put a single crochet into each one of those stitches. So 4 single crochets across the row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. I'm going to put a slip stitch into each of the first 2 stitches. And then for the loop piece, I'm going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to come down to my next stitch and make another slip stitch, and then make a slip stitch into the final stitch. I'll chain 1, cut my yarn, and now I'm going to tuck the strings for my gray yarn. And there you have it. They are now ready to use. I thought this was a fun little crochet project. It's pretty quick and it's really cute for decorating your house for the Christmas season. Quick note, you can probably see that this metal piece is longer on the pink one. I was trying to decide if I liked 3 rows of the single crochet or just 2. So if you were curious, that's the difference right there. But anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you end up making some of your own ornaments, please post it and tag me. I'd love to see what you guys did. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.